G'day everyone, Mark here. And we're just here at my brother Jason's shed and we're just checking out his awesome collection. It's awesome what you can do with a shed. You can put whatever you want in there. Motorbikes for some, toy trains for others. Tools are a must in pretty much every shed, so that's fantastic. Got a nice garden tool board up here. You know, it's got everything, easy, boom, that's what I need, easy to get, workable. Got to have your bar if you've got room. A bar's essential for leaning on, drawing designs up at your next big project. Like these. Had my wedding here at my brother's and we needed some bar leaners for the stag do and for the wedding. So I got offered a whole bunch of pallets for free. I thought, hey, I can do something with those. Popped down to the Seagull Centre, got a couple of doors, $5 each. Ooh, no worries. A few tech screws later, bit of chainsaw work, and I've got myself a nice sturdy bar leaner. That's great, been around for years. Got a bit of a homage to the past here, to the mighty men that cut down the big trees, you know. With the big saw there and the gold mining pits and other bits and pieces of memorabilia. Absolutely fantastic. Seeing people's little collections, what they like to put away in their sheds and cherish, you know. It's absolutely fantastic. Some are model cars, some people are into just all sorts of fun stuff. Yes, it's good, you know. I like benches, got to have a vice. What's a shed without a vice? I'm not sure. And yeah, no, so fantastic, great, can't go wrong. Iron on the roof, you know, it's been a staple for shed building for a long time. And you got to stick with that. Good coloured steel, nice, can't go wrong. Windows, essential, letting that beautiful light. Really enjoy it. Oh well, I hope you guys have enjoyed the shed tour and look forward to taking you on another one soon. Peace out, Coromandel time.